so that Jordan will also come to know about it. So what we need to do first we need to draw a line. I'll draw it on this so you will know what I'm doing. First you draw a line. एक line बनाओ. Then you go up by 45 and you can draw another line. But ठीक है. But what we can do, we can mark points. We can mark point A, wait. Anyway, I can enlarge, yeah. ठीक है. बड़ा रहेगा तो अच्छा रहेगा. So see, first you draw one horizontal line like this. Then you mark point A. A is here. Then at 5 mm you mark point B. Then from A you draw radius 25. Right? Now on this line B, if you see, they're given radius 35, right? But there is one more thing. If you observe, this radius 35 is from here. So from here, from this point, let's say this point, I will write as C. From C, can you cut arc 35? So you'll get point D. You understood? All of you will get, no, ये इधर ही गड़बड़ करते हैं सब लोग. इसके लिए मैं पहले ये सिखा रहा हूँ. Now from A you draw radius 25 and from D you draw radius 35. It is done, sorted. Then what we will do, A and D, these two are done, right? Any doubt in this? This is done. This is done. Any doubt?
So from point C we have to mark.
C, from how will you get point C? Point C कैसे मिलेगा आप मुझे बताओ. A और C के बीच में कितना गैप रहेगा? देखो एकदम सिंपल कर देता हूँ अभी तो मैं. This is कितना गैप? 25. 20 हो गया ना, राइट? अभी क्या करेंगे, यहाँ से विल गो अप बाय 45. कहीं से भी विल ड्रॉ वन लाइन हॉरिजॉन्टल व्हिच इज 45. ड्रॉ लाइन. आप पहले एक्सिस वैक्सिस के चक्कर में मत जाओ. एंड यू टेक 125 फ्रॉम हियर एंड ड्रॉ वर्टिकल लाइन, राइट? देन दे आर गिवन 30. सो यू विल मार्क पॉइंट E. ये मिल गया पॉइंट E. अभी E से F कितना दूर है? 15. पॉइंट F भी मिल गया आपको, राइट? सो E से यू कैन ड्रॉ रेडियस 30. बराबर. F से यू कैन ड्रॉ रेडियस 15. वो दो भी हो गया. इसमें कोई डाउट है अभी तक? एनी डाउट? Now on the same line, यहाँ से 50 लो. From this point you take 50. So that would be point P. I would like to call that as point P. कुछ काम है उसका. इतना हो गया. After this, now I want to draw radius 75. Now if you see this radius 75 is merging to which radius? This radius 30. राइट? ये जो रेडियस 30 है उसको मर्ज कर रहा है और ये जो रेडियस 25 है उसको एक्सटर्नल है. हाउ डू यू कम टू नो? सी, if I draw this full circle, ऐसा आएगा कुछ. And if I draw this radius 30, it will be somewhat like this. Now if I take radius 75 and if I'm drawing, see what is happening. This radius 30 is coming inside, right? This radius 30 came inside. and this radius 25 came outside. So if I want to find this radius 75, what I need to do? Here, I will take from point A, you cut how much? 25 plus 75 because it is external. And from point E, you will cut how much? This is just a sign. आप बाद में आपको confuse मत हो जाए. You cut 75 minus 30. So whatever you get, that intersection, whatever intersection you get from point, let's say A and E. So somewhere around here, you will get that point. So let's say that point is Q. So from Q, you draw a radius 75. All of you understood? Understood this? 75? Now I will erase. Now, okay, now we have to draw a radius 70. So if I want to draw radius 70, right? And if I see what I have to draw in 70, 70 is this, right? 70 is huge circle. But if you see inside 70, we have radius 15. Now tell me whether it is internal or external. Internal, right? And we have one more circle. Radius 35. So ये जो radius 35 है, वो क्या है? वो external है. So what we need to do? From point D, you cut 35 plus 70, and from point F, so you cut how much? 70 minus 15. ये समझा आपको? So इसका जहाँ पे भी कर्व आएगा, यहाँ ऊपर कहीं पे भी आएगा. You know, it will be somewhat here. ऐसा कुछ आएगा. इसको मैं R लिखता हूँ. So that from point R, you can draw 70. Got it? Okay. Got it? Now, the radius 35 and radius 50. Now, in this, one important thing is I had actually written P, point P, right? So now if I want to take 35, 35 is merging in 15 and it is touching this point P. So what you need to do, from P you cut 35 and from F you cut 35 minus 15. Got it? Because it is internal, na? Same with radius 50. Radius 50 is touching point P and it is internal to 30. So from P you cut 50 and from E you cut, how much you cut? 50 minus 30. Understood? When you do this, see, when you cut from F and E, from F you cut how much? 35 minus 15. That is somewhere around 20. And from P you cut 35. You get this point, S. And from S, you can draw this radius, 35. Same way, from E you cut how much? 50 minus 30. By 50 minus 30, this is 50 and this is 30. So you cut 20. And from P you cut 50. You get somewhere here. I'm doing it rough, just make sure. And from there you can draw radius 50. So this way it will help you.